So you just want to flip the unit over and loosen up all the screws in the bottom cover. Now you can take your spudger and pop the bottom cover off. Once the bottom cover is off, the first thing you want to do inside of here is disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. This just helps prevent any shortages with the motherboard or the LCD. Once the battery has been disconnected, you can take out all of the screws. Now that all of the screws are removed, you can start removing parts from the bottom of the palm rest. You can remove the battery. Next, we're going to remove the speakers, but to remove them, you want to disconnect the keyboard ribbon and the touchpad ribbon. Once those two ribbons are disconnected, you can disconnect the speakers and take them out. Now that the speakers are removed, you can disconnect all of the other ribbons and cables from the motherboard. So you can disconnect the LCD cable, the Wi-Fi card. Whenever you disconnect the Wi-Fi card, you can take these two ribbons off of it and disconnect the two USB ribbons. Now to get the last of these out of the palm rest, you want to lift up on the palm rest just a little bit so that these hinges open. When you're removing the USB board, just be careful of the ribbons due to the adhesive on the bottom of them. You can remove the USB board. And you can remove the motherboard, just being careful with all of the ports on the side. Now to get the palm rest out, you just want to open up the unit and it'll come out. So now you can take your new palm rest, flip it over, and you want to line it up with the hinges. Once it's lined up, hold the palm rest and the hinges while you fold it back down. So once the palm rest is put back into place, you can take your motherboard. To get the motherboard back in, you just need to lift up on the palm rest just a little bit so that this hinge opens up and you can get the motherboard in underneath of it. You want to be very careful when putting the motherboard back in. Be careful of all the ports on the side. and make sure there's no ribbons or cables stuck underneath of it. Once the motherboard is back in, you can put this hinge back down. Now you can take your USB board and the same thing as the motherboard, just make sure that this hinge is opened and put it back into place, and then you can close this hinge. Now you can take your speakers, and there is an L and an R on each speaker determining left and right. Make sure that the keyboard ribbon and the touchpad ribbon are over top of the speaker wire. Once they're back into place, you can reconnect the speakers to the motherboard. Now you can take your Wi-Fi card and reconnect the cables on it. Make sure that the white cable goes with the white arrow and the black cable goes with the black arrow. Once those are reconnected, you can reconnect the Wi-Fi card to the motherboard. And the last part you want to put in is the battery. You can put the battery back into place, but do not reconnect it just yet. You can reconnect all of the other cables and ribbons. So you can reconnect the LCD cable, the keyboard ribbon, the touchpad ribbon, the two USB ribbons, Now that everything is reconnected except for the battery, we can put all of the screws back in. Now that all of the screws are back in, the only thing left to do before we put the bottom cover back on is to reconnect the battery. And now you can put your bottom cover back on. can just retighten the screws. To make sure that the replacement was successful, you can plug the unit in. And then you can open it up. And as long as the screen comes on, then that means the replacement was successful. Now I'm going to unplug it while it is still on to make sure that the battery is working properly. And if you unplug it and it is still on, then that means that was successful as well. So you can shut the unit off and close it.